हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप लोग सब। जो लोग मेरे चैनल पर नए आए हैं मैं उन्हें बता दूं, मेरा नाम है साक्षी और मैं बनाती हूँ वीडियोस बेस्ड ऑन मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स, फिर हॉल वीडियोस, recommendation videos, review videos, DIYs and various other things. So अगर आपका ये इंटरेस्ट एरिया है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो सो दैट यू डोंट मिस एनी अपडेट फ्रॉम माई चैनल, राइट। सो जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, टाइटल से आपको पता ही चल गया होगा, ये वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट रिकमेंडेशंस फ्रॉम द ऑन गोइंग नायका सेल। तो यस, नायका की सेल से मैंने भी कुछ चीज़ें ऑर्डर की है जिसे मैं रीस्टॉक करना चाहती हूँ, या फिर ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी है और बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स पे है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप भी वो चीज़ें ट्राई करो। तो इसके लिए मैंने ये पूरा वीडियो बनाया है। अब मेरे पास हर कैटेगरी के लिए कुछ कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं, जो मुझे परचेज करने, जो मुझे ट्राई करने हैं और उन पे बहुत अच्छे ऑफर्स भी है। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, एंड वीडियो बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगा अदरवाइज, सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू द वीडियो डायरेक्टली। Okay, so starting with the hair care range. The first recommendation is this entire L'Oreal Dream Length range, and this is on a very good discount. This entire I think it is for 970 rupees currently in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So please do check this out. This is a really amazing option. This will last you like forever. Even the conditioner and this cream is fab. Hot Pink sale has this on amazing offer. Then the second from the hair care range only is this shampoo again from L'Oreal Professionals. So this is the Siri Expert B6 Plus Biotin Enforcer shampoo. Again, if you are having hair fall, any kind of hair fall issues, this is a very good option. I have been using this and I have seen my hairs are really very soft. So like this and the L'Oreal one, I keep on interchanging. So like once in a week I use this, then I go back to that. So I keep on interchanging the shampoos, but the conditioner and the cream, the serum remains the same. Okay. Then moving on to the face wash category. So currently I am using a face wash and I'm loving it. It is so gentle, so mild, and I'm talking about this simple refreshing face wash. So again, this is on a very good discount and it comes in a bundle also. I think it's for 480 or 490 rupees, wherein you get a moisturizer from the same brand, this face wash, and a little micellar water, a chotu packet of micellar water. So I think that is a very good option. The moisturizer is also really amazing. I haven't tried it, but I have heard good reviews about it. So that's why you can give it a try. This face wash is amazing. You can see how much I have finished. And I have restocked it. I have ordered my Nykaa Hot Pink box. Then the next thing is a toner. So for toner, I have got two recommendations. One is the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So I have almost like completed the entire bottle. Before this, I tried the travel size bottle, and then when it suited my skin, I have a combination and an acne prone skin, and this really suits me. This really calms down my skin. So that's then the second full coverage foundation that I would recommend is this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover. So for my skin, this is really amazing. Comes in amazing shades as well. So my shade that I am using is Golden Beige 104. So this is again a very good option if you are looking for a full coverage foundation. Then coming back, Nykaa Skin Shield. This is another foundation that I love. This does not give you a very like full coverage, but it gives you a buildable coverage. So if you're looking for a normal coverage, go for this one. This also comes in many shades and is on offer as well. Then the high-end foundation that I'm currently loving is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, which comes with SPF 10. My shade in this is Cashew. So I love this. This gives a very beautiful finish to your base. Stays in place for a very long time, gives you a full coverage. So if you're looking for a good option or a high-end option, if you are looking to splurge that much, then you can obviously choose this one. This also, Estee Lauder is also having a great sale on Nykaa, so do check it out. So these were the foundations. Now coming to the concealers. So for concealers, I currently have two options for you. The first one is this LA Girl Pro. So this is a Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I am in the shade medium beige. So this is again a very good concealer. I'm about to get over with this. Yeah. Then the next concealer, or full coverage concealers, if you have high dark circles, you want to conceal everything properly, this is the full coverage concealers that I would suggest. These are the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealers. So I have got it in two shades that I use it to conceal and to highlight as well. So my shade numbers are 312 and 314, which are very good. I love these concealers. So if you're looking to try out, or you want to try out new concealers, I think this is a very good option. So do check this out. So now after the concealer, the next thing is the loose powder or a compact powder. So the only option that I would give you is this Fit Me loose powder, which is the best in the loose powder category. So if you want to try out any loose powder, this is a very good option. Now after this, if you're ready to spend much, then I would suggest you to go for this MAC Studio Fix Compact. It's also a foundation. It gives you a nice coverage, light coverage, if you are not wanting to use foundation on an everyday basis and you just want a very light coverage. This is a very good option. So yes, these were the two in the powder category that I wanted to let you all know. Then coming to the eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow. Now I haven't used any high-end eyeshadows for now, but yes, Huda Beauty and I think Huda Beauty is on great discount. So if you want to try, just go and try. I am currently using too many eyeshadows, so first I'll get over with this, then I would go in for a high-end eyeshadow. But this Nykaa one is a really very good option. This comes in various other options and has great offers running currently. Then coming to a face palette, if you're looking for a face palette in which you'll get the contour, the blush and the highlighter, I would recommend you this Sugar palette. It's the Contour de Force face palette. I am in the shade Subtle Summit, but Vivid Victory, I have used that. Even that is a very good option in which you get a darker shade for the blush. But here I wanted to try a neutral blush, and again this highlighter is amazing. Can you see that? So this is an amazing highlighter. So if you want to give and you're looking for a face palette, I would highly recommend you to go for this face palette. Then after this, coming to the highlighters. So as I already told you that Sugar, in that palette you will be getting a highlighter. After that, the next highlighter is this Master Chrome, the Maybelline Master Chrome. So I'm really very sorry, but I dropped it accidentally and it is gone. So this is the highlighter. I don't know whether the camera is catching the shade properly, but again it will suit all Indian skin types, all Indian skin tones, and I'm in the shade Molten Gold, which this gives a very good coverage, like very good highlighting effect. So if you're looking for a good highlighter, you can invest in this. Yes, so if you're ready to splurge and you're looking for a good hydrating cream, it's not only a highlighter, but it's like a hydrating cream that you can use along with your foundation or underneath your foundation, and it will give you a nice glow to your it's like a glow from within type of glow that you will get using this. So I am in the shade Pink Light, and this is a very good option. You get a full size also, and I think on MAC the offer currently running is buy two get one, so I think it's a very good deal. And if you want to invest in MAC, this is the time that you can invest. So this one. Then coming to the makeup fixing sprays, I have got again two options for you. The first one is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and the next is the MAC Fix Plus Makeup Fixer. This can also be used as a primer and a makeup fixer both. So again, these are very good options. The MAC one also gives you a very beautiful finish, so and locks in your makeup for hours. So both of these are very good options if you want to invest in a makeup spray. Okay, now after this, coming to the liners. So the liners, I have got few colored and the black ones also. So the first one that I would recommend is this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. So if you can see, can you see that? Gives a beautiful jet black effect, stays in for long. Even if your eyes are watery, this will stay for a very long time. I have used it, I have watery eyes, and this gives a very beautiful, does not smudge, is waterproof, so it gives you not only it works not only as your kajal but as your eyeliner also. Then the next one is the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. Again, this is also a very beautiful kajal. Again, jet black kajal, can you see that? And very creamy. So again, but I think this Nykaa one smudges a bit, so I won't I won't recommend that. So I won't recommend that to people who have really watery eyes. Otherwise, the Nykaa one is really good. I have used it as an eyeliner, also smudges. It gives a very nice smoky effect, so I like that. Now coming to the colored eyeliners, this one from PAC, it's a skin color eyeliner. So whenever you want to have a white effect, or whenever you want to make your eyes look bigger, you always can use a lighter colored eyeliner on your waterline. So it could be skin, it could be white, but this skin one gives a very nice effect, gives you a white effect as well. So I think this is a very good option from PAC if you want to invest in something in a lighter kajal or an eyeliner. Then the next one is this Color Bar, a very nice neon-y blue. It's like a neon blue, and it looks very nice when you are creating something funky, some funny makeup look, or you are chilling out with friends and want to just bring a little dash of color to your whole face. So obviously you can invest in this. This is a very good option. The color is the intensity of the color payoff is really very nice. Then the next kajal or the eyeliner or a kajal is this Sugar one, which is like a deep blue. I don't know, I think on the camera you might be feeling as if both the colors are the same, but this one is neon and this one is a darker blue, and looks very good, very beautiful on your waterline as an eyeliner. So gives a very nice coverage. Then after this, oh my god, I'm already tired. Okay, then after this, if you talk about the main and important thing, the product is a brow product, right? So we need something for this for the eyebrows, because if eyebrows are shaped properly, the whole looks comes in place. So for this, I would suggest you this Nykaa Oh My Brow Gel. So this is the gel that I'm currently wearing also, and you can see how beautiful the eyebrows look. It sets the eyebrows in place for hours and gives a very nice effect. So I think I don't know whether you have variations in this, but this is the eyebrow mascara that I'm currently using. So I'll leave it in the description box. Oh yeah, it's Serious Brown. Yes, so the shade is Serious Brown eyebrow mascara, and this is a very essential, like a very useful, I would say a useful product. So yes, you can go for this. Then after this, I've got some lipsticks that I would like to recommend. So let's start one by one, and I will swatch it for you all also. That the first lipstick is the universally favorite lipstick, that is by MAC. That's the MAC Retro Matte Ruby Wo. So as you can see, I hope it's visible, right? Oh, let me. Yes. So this is the Retro Matte, which looks very beautiful. It's a very beautiful red, a red with a pink tone, you can say. So it's like a cool red and looks very beautiful. Yes. So the next option that I would like to recommend is this Smashbox Bowse. This is again a very good option, wherein, can you see the shade? Yes, looks very beautiful when you are applying it on the face. Even if you don't have makeup and you just apply it, it gives a very nice effect to your face. Then the next red that I would suggest is this L'Oreal Paris. I love the formulation. The formulation is really watery, and I'm in the shade 115. I am worth it. Let me just swatch it over here. Yes, can you see? Looks perfect, looks very good, is watery consistency, I would say, and that's why it's very light on the lips. Does not feel heavy being a liquid lipstick. So that's why I love the formulation, and I like how the shade looks on me. So if you are in my skin tone or a deeper skin tone than mine, I think this, or a fairer skin tone, I think this lipstick would go with every skin tone. Would go and would look very, very beautiful on every skin tone. Then the next few options that I have is this one again from Smashbox. So this is in the shade Gulabe, again a very beautiful nude shade. Gives a nice mauvey type of a nude. It's like a mauvey nude and looks very beautiful when you apply this. Yes, so this is that. Then the next nude that I would like to suggest you all is this. Can you see that? I think the Gulabe one is more on the pinkish nude side, and this is like more on a brown nude side. This is the lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Mona Lisa. So again, this is a very beautiful shade. This is like one of my favorite shade from this range, so of Nykaa. So I love this. Looks very beautiful nude on your skin. Then the last two lipstick recommendations are from Maybelline. So I have their Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lipsticks, Liquid Matte Lipsticks. So this is the first shade. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know the shade. I'll just put it in the description box. But again, let me just swatch. Like a very deep brown shade, a brick, I would call it as a brick shade, and it mattifies. So when it is dry, it mattifies and gives a very beautiful look. It gives a very beautiful color to your face, to your entire look. Then the next one is To the Fullest. So yes, this is another lipstick from Maybelline. So can you see that? I think I'm more of a red person because I have more of red lipsticks, reddish brown, reddish maroon, reddish pink, reddish orange. So I think I have more recommendations of reds because I love those lipsticks. So yes, so these are some of the recommendations from my side. So other than this, things I would purchase, I would let you know on my Instagram account. So follow me on Instagram as well if you want to know some updates that I put daily. I cannot put daily or post daily on YouTube, so please go and check out my Instagram as well. So if you need something, you can just DM me there. If you want any recommendations other than this, if you want any other reviews, please put it in the comment box so that I come to know what all things y'all are liking, and I'll come up with those videos as well, or those videos video ideas as well that you are looking for. So I hope you enjoy this Nykaa hot pink sale. And I'm so sorry I'm not wearing pink. I've seen so many YouTubers wearing hot pink and then doing the video, but I accidentally or unfortunately I don't have anything hot pink to wear. So that's why I thought it's okay. It's okay. The recommendations are more important, right? So that's the reason I thought I'll just recommend you some of the products that you can buy on great offers during this Nykaa hot pink sale. So go enjoy and leave in the comment box what all you have brought from my recommendations, or what all products you have brought from the Nykaa hot pink sale. If you have liked the video entirely and you have reached this, do hit the like button as well, so that it motivates me to create more such videos. Thank you.